This is a pro tip video on how to install the Enhancement firming pads. These pads can be installed between the blue steel spring unit and the decking material here that's underneath the seat cushion. So when you have the pad, the easiest way I find to install these is to fold them in half. Go ahead and feed it down into the area here between the mechanism and the spring unit. Then I'm going to unfold it across the seat area here, as you can see. And then I will pull up on the outer band of the spring unit, tuck the foam pad underneath it. And you can push that through so it goes all the way underneath. About like so. I've got it a little too far, so I'm going to bring it back, place it on top of the seat frame mechanism or area here, like that. And then I'm going to feed it across the rest of the bands here. I'll pull this one up. You just kind of have to feed it through there. And what this does is it gives an additional layer of foam that will firm up the seat comfort. So I've got one more band done. Feed it through here. Three of the bands, and then we'll go for the last one here. Now I have it all the way through. Again, tuck it up on top of the mechanism and the frame area, and that's how you install the firming pad.